I have got a terrible case of the Mondays, but I think I know how to fix that.
That's better. Now when it's Monday and I've got a case of the Mondays and I'm by myself, there's only one place I gotta go. And my first stop forever and always is the Jungle Cruise. Morning.
Welcome aboard. Be careful. It's a jungle in there.
So how many first time on the Jungle Cruise? Raise your hands high in the air. Wow. Me too. Up ahead, a pygmy welcoming party awaits. These guys are known for their parties. Something must have scared them off. I can't see anybody. Canoe? I cannot. Something definitely scared them off. There's Stu. He's in the pot. If you don't get that, it should be a long 10 minutes. We have herds and crabs in the jungle. That's out on the front about. He's a sculpture. You look at dancing in circles of squid and instructor Quinity lost the keys to the men's room. They usually attack on the right here, so we'll keep our eyes peeled for anything unusual. Thrown on the right left side. Oh, that's unusual. The change close. It's an ambush. Everybody get down, get down, get down. Get down. It looks stupid down there by myself. There goes something got to pull it out to make it the light. You're stuck with it. No souvenirs. Hey, that was close. Okay, so here comes a rare sight. Something few people ever get to see. Perhaps the eighth wonder of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I proudly present the Dark Side of Water! Sometimes we refer to that as O2H.
Oh, this looks familiar, doesn't it?
Kids, remember, 4 years in college, 3 rivers breakdown to the bachelor degree, you could become a Jungle Cruise. It's true! 4 years in college, got a bachelor degree, drive a moon for a mouse. Parents are proud of my brother. He was a doctor. Could have been a doctor. I didn't have the patience. So, I hope you guys had a nice time on the jungle on the count of 3. Lots of screaming, lots of clapping, as loud as humanly possible. It's not for me. No, it makes me homesick. My wife tells it every time I leave for work. Nice 3 guys. You're wonderful out of all the cruises I've had today. You've been the most recent. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3.
You just can't go wrong with a Jungle Cruise. It's my favorite ride in Adventureland for sure. You know what else is also really awesome? One of the first to have opened with Magic Kingdom when the park first opened, the Enchanted Tiki Room. Let's do it!
My name is Claude, and my loquacious cousin over here is... I'll introduce myself, if you don't mind. Hi there. I'm, now let's see now. It's right on the tip of my beak. Clyde Birdbrain? Oh, yeah. I'm Clyde Birdbrain. Oh.
I just love that show. I hope it never goes away. It's just one of those things that's timeless. It's cheesy, it's totally kitsch, but it's the best. Next stop, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroaches! Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or by thunder we'll burn the city to the ground!
Tell him, Carlos, don't be cheeking.
Now, you scurvy scoundrels, do I hear 10? A hen for a 10. Pipe down, you lily-livered woman.
Probably the first time in a while that I actually got wet on the ride. That was awesome. I love that ride so much. Red and blue for America. There we go. Oh, that's neat. The game is crappy. It's like taking his time. It's really hard to keep this one straight. I barely even have my foot on the gas. I'm like, it's hard to keep at their pace without ramming into them. Slowest car chase ever. Come on. Oh look, there's Tron. A nice bumpy preview of the Tron building. Day 27. I'm still behind number 31. I may be back here forever. If you get this message, tell Ma I love her. I do hope to ever see her again. Oh, Mama. I miss you, Mama. Still driving. I'm still driving. We made it to the end. Oh, and we're gonna crash. We made it. Yes. Do you think they're ever gonna make these things electric? Wouldn't that be nice? Not that I don't like the noise.
You guys, I completely forgot to film an outro. This is only my second video. I had such a great time at Magic Kingdom. I cured my case of the Mondays, and I forgot to film an outro. That's alright. Thank you guys so much for following us and watching our videos. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and leave us a comment. What's your best way to cure a case of the Mondays when you're at the parks? I still can't believe I forgot to film an outro. You know what? That's alright. As a makeup, as an apology, here's a little clip of the Dapper Dans. See you guys next week. Bye.